The PUNEHOD DTF Printer A4 L800 offers a reliable and efficient solution for printing vibrant designs directly onto fabric. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available. This printer comes complete with an oven and all the necessary supplies to start your printing projects right away, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced users. With a maximum print width of 8.3 inches, this DTF printer handles a variety of fabric types including cotton, polyester, leather, and more. It supports printing on both light and dark fabrics, giving you versatility for different creative projects. The setup process is straightforward. Once the printer is ready, simply import your design and print. The included oven helps to heat press the design onto the fabric, ensuring durable and clear results. One standout feature of this printer is the advanced white ink circulation system. It automatically agitates and recirculates white ink to prevent clogs and maintain consistent print quality. The printhead also undergoes automatic cleaning, so you won't have to worry about maintenance slowing down your workflow. This technology allows you to produce sharp, vibrant prints even on complex designs. The package includes everything you need to get started: the A4 DTF printer, oven, 6 250 ml zinc bottles, 500 grams of powder, 100 meters of film rolls, software, accessories, and detailed video tutorials. This all-in-one set is designed to simplify the printing process, saving you time and effort. This printer is compatible with Windows devices, making integration into your existing setup easy. Whether you're customizing clothing, accessories, or other fabric items, this printer handles a wide range of materials with ease. PUNEHOD also provides 24/7 technical support, ensuring you have assistance whenever needed. If you want a practical, high-quality solution for direct-to-film printing that works on both light and dark fabrics, the PUNEHOD DTF Printer A4 L800 is a great choice. Don't forget to check the link in the description below for the latest pricing and any available offers.